Art and music are so calming, and I find peace and rest when I allow myself time to play and create things that are beautiful. I was looking through my art books and I came across Miro, and a lot of his artwork is very childlike and playful, and I thought that's exactly what I want to try to replicate in my own way. I'll be using it as a form of therapy as I'm going through a hard time. So as usual, I just found some random supplies that I had on hand, some paper, leftover wall paint, acrylic paint, and some pencil crayons. I drew a big blobby shape with wobbly lines going through it, just like a child would. In Miro's art, he used a lot of bright colors. I like very muted and moody colors, so basically I found inspiration from the fluid shapes in his paintings, but changed the color scheme to suit our home. Once I had filled in the blob shape, I went to town with the pencils to create some texture around the outside. This was definitely very therapeutic and felt very childlike.
Basketball? Is that a basketball?
No, it's abstract art.
What's that sound?
Granny's vacuum. Granny's vacuum.
What's a vacuum?
Vacuum.
Oh, vacuum.
I kept adding more layers until I was happy with it. And then afterwards I went over the outlines to make them more bold. The gold frame almost fit perfectly. I just had to add some extra matting. I used a piece of colored cardstock left over from art school. I used a clear matte sealer as a podge to adhere it to the cardboard, and then another layer of clear coat over top of the entire piece. A few finishing nails held it in place. Once I got it framed, I walked around the house holding up the art on different walls to see where it would look the best. And eventually I settled on this room, our office art studio, because I like how the color blended into the blue walls, allowing the gold frame to stand out. If you're also going through a hard time, you could try just making some art for fun. Even if it looks like your child made it, that's okay. It's probably a good thing, and it will bring healing. Thanks for stopping by Anne's Cozy Home.